I'm going to show you how to get a nice gleaming cat eye, and it's budget friendly, so let's get started. I'm going to be using this from Born Pretty. It's called Flowing Light White number MY77. You want to make sure your cat eye is very fine, like not super glittery. Like you can tell when it's going to be a good cat eye when glitter particles are so small. You basically don't want to see any of the glitter particles, so this is a perfect example. We're going to do 2 layers. We're going to do a thin layer. Make sure you coat the entire nail like so. Just make sure everything is covered. Grab your magnet tool and you're gonna remove the magnet part, just going over it until it looks kind of like transparent, but you know, you can tell there's a tint to it because this has got a little tint. You see how like when I go like this, you can still see the magnet, like that part. You're going to make sure you can't see any of that anymore. Do your best to do that, and then you're gonna grab a flash cure lamp just to make sure it doesn't move, because my nail stand happens to have some magnet in it at the bottom. Do 60 seconds. My mistake, every time I say magnet, I mean to say remove the cat eye. You get what I mean. Also, for the cat eye rod, it doesn't really matter which one you use. I prefer this one. It has like different variations. This is like the horizontal version, and then this is the circular one. Now that my first layer is out of the lamp, you can still see through it quite well. Now we're gonna go in with a second layer of our Born Pretty cat eye polish. And now this time, you're going to do the same thin layer. You don't have to go too crazy thick. Just make sure you're covering all the sides of it. Okay, so this is before I do anything. I just applied the cat eye gel polish. You can still see quite the streakiness, which is okay. I'm going to grab my magnet. I'm just going to activate it on one side like this. You can kind of see like how vibrant that is, right? Until you see like a line or so. Same thing on the other side. Just going to give it like a little tickle until you see the line. And changing your hand angle so you can see it better. And you're just gonna go back and forth on all sides. My technique is still a little questionable. I like going for like the orb because that's like, it's giving the most gleaming look to it in my opinion. So you literally just have to play with it for a bit until you like what you have made, and then flash cure. And you can do this with any type of fine cat eye that you have. Have lots of fun doing this.